can go on the grass or it can go on there. And it also moves super slowly. It moves fast or slow. And this is, it comes with two colors. One is red, one is green. Ooh, I am done, done, done. A guide about this, and look. Look at this. Comes in plastic bag. Here's our remote and car. Woo! And look what's here. We need a screwdriver to open the car's lid and the remote lid. And we need to put battery, so let's open it. It's already open. Look, what's this?
That's a battery for car.
That's a battery for car. This is a battery for a remote.
Yep.
This is charger for the car. My dad put the batteries in the car and the remote. And now we're gonna turn on the on button so we can turn it on.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Ready, steady, go.
Did you turn it on?
Yeah, on.
Yeah, come on. Now?
Snowy car. Ready, steady, go.
It's okay, go on, go.
You naughty old car. You naughty car.
Hey, look, if you press go down, then you go up. Hey, look, if you press go down. Stop. Now get. Yeah, do it back. Now do it again. Do it. Mommy video कर जाओगे. now निकल.
We had lots of fun with this toy. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe if you like this.